In this tutorial, I will be exploring this question: how to make passive income with SEO. This video provides some practical ways you can use SEO and earn money online without having prior experience. So if you're interested in learning some tactics and easy to follow strategies to create an additional side income or passive income with SEO, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content, and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's start. Strategy number 1. Start an SEO business. Website owners are constantly on the lookout for ways they can get new customers and clients. One great vehicle for this is increasing website traffic. But increasing traffic to your website isn't as easy as publishing a few blog posts. As a result, business owners rely on SEO professionals to help generate more search engine traffic on their behalf. The SEO market only continues to grow. The SEO industry is estimated to be worth over $80 billion. Once you've found some success with your own website or personal projects, you can take this service to clients. Now, running an SEO business isn't for everyone. It can be a ton of work, and managing client relationships and expectations can take up a lot of your time. That being said, here are some of the pros of starting your own SEO business. Here are some of the pros of running an SEO business. Consistent monthly retainers from clients. The revenue ceiling is very high, and the SEO industry only continues to grow. There are various ways you can generate leads and find clients for your SEO business. If you're maintaining a regular SEO blog or guest posting on relevant sites, you could have leads reach out to you. However, there are a few lead generation tactics you can employ as well, such as reaching out to businesses via LinkedIn and cold email. Target companies who are spending money on advertising but not ranking organically. It can be forming partnerships with graphic design firms and other agencies, and you can list your company on online marketing directories, and you can use your SEO skills to rank your company high in the local search results. Ultimately, your success running an SEO business depends on the results you can deliver for your clients. Choose a niche as an SEO company. One of the first things you'll want to do as an SEO business is figuring out what your niche will be. While you might have the assumption that being a jack of all trades is the best idea, it's more beneficial to narrow down to a specific segment within an industry. This gives you the opportunity to specialize in a particular area and gain a name for yourself. Finding a niche also allows you to stand out from your competitors. With so much competition and thousands of different SEO companies, it's important that you know how to avoid getting lost in the crowd. Think about what your personal interests are and what experience you have that might help you when you pick a specific area to make your niche. Define your services as an SEO business. The next step you'll need to take is figuring out what exact services you want to offer to your clients and customers. SEO is a term that covers an extensive number of services. You might offer SEO as part of a content marketing package, do technical SEO for new websites, or complete SEO audits for companies. With so many varieties when it comes to services, you'll want to come up with a clear list you can offer clients to avoid confusion. Some options might include SEO analysis and audits, keyword research, competitive research, on-site technical SEO, off-site link building, ongoing support, and PPC and social media SEO. Market your SEO business. No business can succeed without customers, and the best way to get new business is to market your business. There are many different ways you can market your services and search for new prospects when your business launches. Inbound marketing is a process that you are likely familiar with as an SEO specialist. Rather than directly pushing a message in front of customers, you allow customers to find you online and then come to you. This method of marketing helps you avoid coming across as overly sales focused and pushy. The inbound method instead puts a high emphasis on content. Then a potential client can find you through things like Google searches, social media, or blog content. Strategy number 2. Become an SEO freelancer as a side hustle. If you like the idea of running an SEO business but creating a full-fledged agency is too much work, then consider becoming an SEO or digital marketing freelancer. If you found a specific part of SEO that you enjoy, you can offer your services for this specific skill. For example, maybe you found that you enjoy broken backlink building. You could partner with an agency or webmaster and offer this specific service, or use a freelancer platform like Upwork and bid on SEO jobs for that skill. The best thing about freelancing is that it can be done part-time. You can pitch your services, bid on job boards, and take on overflow agency work when you have the time. As a part-time freelancer, there is a range of different types of projects you can take on, like keyword research, SEO audits, on-site content optimization, and backlink building. An SEO freelancer creates and optimizes content on the web. In particular, they employ various strategies when creating the content so that it's more likely to show up as a top search result. Their ultimate goal is to get people to the web page in question. Some key strategies employed by SEO freelancers include keyword research. In its simplest form, keyword research is the process of identifying the queries that lead searchers back to your site. Once you determine which words or phrases people are using, you can include those specific words and phrases in your content title, headings, and body. The goal is to use these keywords strategically in your content to get it to rank higher in Google. Another task is competitor analysis. Competitor analysis involves comparing your content to content created by competitors who rank highly. Through a technical SEO audit, you can identify what you're already ranking for and identify any gaps with your competitors' rankings to help you prioritize specific keywords in your SEO strategy. On-page SEO services. On-page SEO refers to the SEO strategies that can be deployed on the website or web page where you're posting content. These page optimization strategies include, but are not limited to, detailed meta tags, included structured data within your content, adding relevant internal links. Media outreach and link building. Link building is the art of getting other sites to link to your content. These links are often referred to as backlinks. Search engines view links as votes of confidence, and with enough external sources pointing at your site, it will likely rank higher as a result. There are multiple ways to generate backlinks, including promoting your content to publishers in hopes of getting a story that will link to your site, or seeking out guest posting opportunities. It's a good idea to learn everything you can about best SEO practices. The more you know, the better the web pages you create will perform, and the easier it will be to attract additional clients. Consider reading about SEO in more detail or taking classes to increase your proficiency. Some sources of SEO knowledge include the following. Classes. Whether online, most common, or in person, a class can provide you the opportunity to fully engage in understanding SEO principles. There may be opportunities to collaborate or ask questions as well. Courses may be free or paid. Some online courses of SEO courses include Coursera, Udemy, SEMrush Academy, and more. The next is websites. High quality websites that provide information about SEO strategies are another great resource. Google offers an SEO starter guide, and the popular Moz offers the beginner's guide to SEO and more. Another one is industry experts. Find SEO industry experts on social media and follow them. You'll then receive the latest insights, links, and thoughts that they post on your news feeds, allowing you to keep ahead of changes in SEO best practices and opportunities to learn more. The SCJ offers a list of 140 top SEO experts you should be following. A portfolio is an easy way for prospective clients to see what your work looks like and whether it's a good fit for them. In this way, it's more valuable than a list of credentials or a resume. Strategy number 3. Set up a blog and make money from ads. If you have solid SEO skills, you can make money from a blog that gets a ton of traffic. One of the easiest forms of blog monetization is paid advertising. Some of the most popular forms of paid ads include Google AdSense and similar providers like Media.net, customer banner ads, and sponsored content. To find success as a blogger, you need a niche that gets a high volume of traffic and doesn't have extreme levels of competition. For example, the personal finance niche is one of the most competitive online. Even if you're an SEO wizard, it will take a long time to build up the authority necessary to compete. You need to find a niche that gets a solid amount of traffic but isn't insanely competitive. competitive. With solid SEO experience, you'll be able to uncover niches that possess these two qualities. Monetizing a blog via paid ads is one of the most passive models of existence, since you're getting paid on the volume of traffic and clicks. Keep in mind, to make money off SEO with advertising, you're going to need a very high volume of traffic. If the niche you want to build a website in is limited in terms of traffic, then you may need to monetize in other ways. Advertising networks such as Google AdSense are some of the easiest ways to make money with pay-per-click. Website owners only register with an advertising network and place the code provided by them on their website. Google AdSense is one of the best choices, but it requires approval once you register. The more traffic your website attracts, the higher will be your earnings. You can make money with pay-per-click by becoming a part of the marketing department of a company. An in-house PPC professional works with a team and coordinates with other marketing departments to get ads approved faster, test landing pages, create campaigns, monitor existing campaigns, and suggest optimizations. The profession demands expertise in FB, Microsoft, and Google Ads, and often a PPC certification. Unlike other options, this option guarantees a fixed salary topped with medical insurance and other bonuses. Strategy number 4. Set up a blog and make money from affiliate sales. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It is competitive, but as someone with actual SEO skills, you have a much greater chance of success. There's no limit to how big of a site you can build as an affiliate. You have single person blogs all the way up to massive sites like NerdWallet and the Wirecutter, which are large scale affiliate sites. With affiliate marketing, you promote high quality products in exchange for a commission when someone decides to buy through your affiliate link. There are SEO affiliate programs with products related to SEO and digital marketing, but there are also affiliate programs for all kinds of niches. After selecting the products to promote, the next step is to write the right type of content. The most common form of affiliate posts is best of posts and product reviews. When a searcher is typing these kinds of keywords into Google, they're in the buying phase. So if they click over to your site, there's a good chance they're going to buy from your link. Building a successful affiliate site via SEO is a truly passive income. However, you are reliant on organic traffic and the payouts from vendors, which can change. Promoting everything by registering with different affiliate programs would be a mistake. Instead of promoting everything, promote a few unique, profitable products that can reach large masses. You can't focus on each of them intensely and the result would be disappointing. So you need to understand market needs and desires and place your products accordingly to make money as an affiliate. The chance of making money online rises with more traffic you send to the sales page. It is okay to run ads on a site, but it has some missing points. The best example is from Google AdWords. By making an ad in your AdWords account, your sales page gets targeted traffic from various channels. Strategy number 5. Build an e-commerce store and sell physical products. If you know SEO, you can use search engine optimization to earn money from your store. Organic search engine traffic can be an incredibly reliable source of traffic. You can conduct keyword research to find keywords your audience will use to find your product. For example, if you find a keyword like waterproof backpack that has a high volume and low competition, this could help to verify there's a demand for the product. Building an e-commerce store has all kinds of benefits, like it's a legitimate business model with a very high income ceiling. You have full control over your brand and the e-commerce market only continues to grow year after year. However, in building an e-commerce brand, there are a ton of additional steps involved in the process. Number 1, creating the product or sourcing drop shipping products. Number 2, selling initial products and getting feedback. Number 3, improving products and handling shipping. And number 4, scaling your store. Strategy number 6. Build an e-commerce store and sell digital products. If you don't want to get into the physical product business, you can sell digital products using the same methods. Digital products can be advantageous since the margins can be much higher. With digital products, you can also have the opportunity to test different products and different angles until you find something that sells. The most common form of a digital product is an ebook, but you have all kinds of digital products you can explore, like online courses, recurring memberships, digital templates, music and audio, and stock photography. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want more help with internet marketing, is make sure you go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.